initial beating we might take in 2012. Lately, there have been fears that our planetary security guard is falling asleep on the job.
Given how important the Earth's magnetosphere is to all of us, it's a little disconcerting to see that it appears to be getting weaker all the time.
One huge dip in the magnetosphere allows harmful solar particles to penetrate closer to the Earth's surface than anywhere else. This vast chink in the Earth's armor stretches across the Atlantic Ocean from South America all the way to Africa.
But the South Atlantic anomaly is like a hole punch compared to the giant rip in the Earth's magnetic field that we discovered just recently.
In the summer of 2007, astronomers discovered a magnetic weakness 10 times larger than anything thought possible. The entire daylight side of the magnetosphere was temporarily breached by a magnetic blast from the sun.
It basically leaves the surface of the Earth open to a massive influx of radiation from the sun. And it almost becomes a game of Russian roulette, because you just don't know when this magnetic hole is going to open up over your head and drench you with radiation.
But what if it's even worse than that? What if all this weakening is a warning sign that the field is about to undergo an even more radical transformation?
Some have speculated that this decrease in the Earth's magnetic field strength may be a sign of the Earth's polarity flipping. Okay, that is the north and south pole, magnetic poles changing position.
When the poles flip, north becomes south and compass needles reverse.
A lot of doomsday fanatics confuse that with the idea that the north and south physical poles are suddenly going to swap places. They suddenly imagine that the Earth is going to start spinning in a completely different direction. That is not what happens at all. The continents and the orientation of the Earth in space stays exactly the way that it does.
But a reversal in the magnetic field could still turn life on Earth on its head.
In the process of the magnetic field flipping, there will be a point at which it's very, very low, it's very weak. If the magnetic field is significantly small, it could be quite devastating.
If we have this weakening magnetic field of the Earth, this means when the Earth is hit by solar particles, they're going to be able to penetrate deeper.
These particles are going to slam into the outer atmosphere of the stratosphere and create nitrates. And these nitrates are going to start eating away at ozone.
Without the magnetosphere's protection, each consecutive solar burst would do more and more damage to ozone molecules. Our ozone layer would be ripped to shreds.